Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Te. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Te. In our last video, we covered the letter P. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter P, the letter T, in the previous lesson we learned P, now is T. T is the same from the same category, the writing style, scripting and joining, everything is the same. Initial is this one, in middle part is coming like this, final joint is this one, and final unjoined is this one. In a sentence, like for example, we have this one, kitab. The kitab der pazada pure day. The kitab der pazada pure day. It means this book is very interesting. The means this, kitab book. Der very, pazada pure interesting. They is, as we say, verb is all the time goes to the end of the sentence. Yeah, now we can say the kitab der pazada pure day. This book is very interesting. The kitab der pazada pure day. This book is very interesting. Or we have another sentence. किताब में लकिताबतुन څخه راوړ. کتاب مې له کتابتون څخه راوړ. It means I brought the book from the library. Kitab again book. مې له کتابتون from the library. کتابتون library. راوړ brought. کتاب مې له کتابتون څخه راوړ. I brought the book from the library. Kitab again book. مې له کتابتون څخه from the library. کتابتون library راوړ brought. کتاب مې له کتابتون څخه راوړ. I brought the book from the library. We have معلم کتاب پر میز کېښود. معلم کتاب پر میز کېښود. It means the teacher placed the book on the table. معلم teacher, kitab book, per میز on the table. کېښود place, put. معلم کتاب پر میز کېښود. The teacher placed the book on the table. معلم teacher. kitab book per میز on the desk, on the table. کېښود put or place. معلم کتاب پر میز کېښود. The teacher placed the book on the table. معلم کتاب پر میز کېښود. The teacher placed the book on the table. We have دا تور قلم دی. دا تور قلم دی. Or we can say دا قلم تور دی. Both of them is correct. دا قلم تور دی or دا تور قلم دی. This is black pen. Da means this. Tur means black. Qalam means pen. They is. Da tur qalam day. This is black pen. Da this. Tur black. Qalam pen. They is. Da tur qalam day. This is black pen. Da tur motor ډیر ښایسته دی. دا تور موټر ډیر ښایسته دی. Look, دا تور موټر ډیر ښایسته دی. This black car is very beautiful. دا means again this. تور black موټر car ډیر very ښایسته beautiful دی is. دا تور موټر ډیر ښایسته دی. This black car is very beautiful. دا this تور black موټر car ډیر very ښایسته beautiful دی is. دا تور موټر ډیر ښایسته دی. This black car is very beautiful. We have زه تور کمیس خوښوم. زه تور کمیس خوښوم. Look, خوښوم, or some people, pronouncing خوښوم. Some people pronouncing خوښوم. All of them is correct. It's dialect difference. Yeah. Like for example, I like the black shirt. The I تور black کمیس shirt خوښوم like. زه تور کمیس خوښوم. I like the black shirt. زه تور کمیس خوښوم. I like the black shirt. We have دا یو ښکلی تصویر دی. دا یو ښکلی تصویر دی. It means this is a beautiful picture. دا یو ښکلی تصویر دی. This is a beautiful picture. دا mean this. یو ښکلی, a beautiful. تصویر, picture. They is. Look, this یو means a. Or an in Pashto we say yav. It means one, but in this case it means or an. دا یو ښکلی تصویر دی. This is a beautiful picture. We have زه ستا تصویر رسموم. زه ستا تصویر رسموم. زه ستا تصویر رسموم. I'm drawing your picture. زه means again I. ستا your تصویر picture رسموم drawing. زه ستا تصویر رسموم. I'm drawing your picture. موږ د کور تصویر واخیست. موږ د کور تصویر واخیست. موږ د کور تصویر واخیست. We took a picture of the house. we د کور تصویر picture of the house. واخیست took. موږ د کور تصویر واخیست. We took a picture of the house. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. دا کتاب ډېر په زړه پورې دی. دا کتاب ډېر په زړه پورې دی. This book is very interesting. کتاب مې له کتابتون څخه راوړ. کتاب مې له کتابتون څخه راوړ. I brought the book from the library. معلم کتاب پر میز کېښود. معلم کتاب پر میز کېښود. The teacher placed the book on the table. دا تور قلم دی. دا تور قلم دی. This is black pen. دا تور موټر ډېر ښایسته دی. دا تور موټر ډېر ښایسته دی. This black car is very beautiful. زه تور کمیس خوښوم. زه تور کمیس خوښوم. I like the black shirt. دا یو ښکلی تصویر دی. دا یو ښکلی تصویر دی. This is a beautiful picture. زه ستا تصویر رسموم. زه ستا تصویر رسموم. I'm drawing your picture. موږ د کور تصویر واخیست. موږ د کور تصویر واخیست. We took a picture of the house. If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk and Quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.